Welcome to another exciting episode of Iron Truck Camper Chef. And tonight's challenge... Wait, there's no challenge in here. What's going on? What is this? The place is a mess. Well, that's because we've been traveling and it's the end of a trip. And there's a ton of cleaning to do. But it was a good trip. Got a lot done. So we're going to go take a look out here and see what we can find. Let me get the door shut here. Make my way down. And there you can see we are in the forest. The deep forest. There's a picnic table. And we make our way around here. And wait, what is this? A fire? And what could possibly be on the fire? Why, look at that. We are fire roasting, barbecuing some tri-tip steaks, baked potatoes, and corn on the cob.
Wait till you see the other side.
Wait until you see the other side. Oh, look at that.
Oh, man.
That is like...
That is...
golden.
That is South Carolina candy.
That is golden steak delicious. So, we've been here. We got skunked fishing. Two of the finest fishermen in the whole Pacific Northwest, and neither of us caught a thing.
But we didn't strike out at the store.
But we didn't strike out at the store. And so, that concludes this quick episode of Iron Truck Camper Chef from Outdoor Truck Camper Kitchen Stadium high in the Cascade Mountains near Mount Adams, where the sky is clear and the stars are out, and there's even meteors tonight too because the Perseids are going. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next delicious episode of Iron Truck Camper Chef.